What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to save an Instagram post to your camera roll. Now in order to do this, you're actually going to need a secondary app that I'm going to get to here in a second. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to the post that you want to save to your camera roll. And then once you select the post, you just hit the three little dots in the upper right hand corner of the post. Now I actually have a reel here that I'm going to save, so it's a little different where the three little dots are on the screen, but it's still going to be the same process. So just being able to hit three dots and then copy the link for the post. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, once you hit the three dots, this menu that comes up right here, the second option down is to copy the link. And then this is going to copy the link to your clipboard. And then now you could see this is the app that you're going to want to use. If you search Repost Instagram on the App Store or Google Play Store, it will come up as the first option. It is a white app screen with a little purple repost symbol. And then once the link is copied to your clipboard, it's actually going to come up right away once you launch the app at the top. You saw there that I have a bunch of other videos that I've saved to my camera roll before, and they just save on that app as well. But even if the app is deleted, it's still saved to your camera roll now. In order to do this, though, you're just going to go through with the process of reposting it through the app. This is actually an Instagram repost app. But once you go to repost it on Instagram, it will save it to your camera roll either way. And it's going to take you to this screen here, but you could just hit the X in the upper left-hand corner and just cancel out of your post on Instagram. And then it will still be saved to your camera roll. That's pretty much all there is to it, though, for this method. If you have any questions on how this works or anything like that, be sure to comment them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.